Washa, I can explain. This is uDavid Insika yesizwe Ngcobo. UNgcobo uMapholo mashiya amahle engathi azoshumayela ufuze. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, this is uNasty C. Asiqale. Inkinga uyajajana, usuyangijaja. Uyangijaja. Once upon a time, kumhlaka 11 February 1997, a hero was born and igama lakhe was Insika yesizwe David Ngcobo. And little did he know ukuthi he will grow up to become one of the greatest hip-hop artists South Africa has ever known. Wakhulela endaweni ekuthiwa iseLovu that is located in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal, and he went to school kwisikole ekuthiwa iStreelitha, which is located eSpingo in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. Suddenly, during his youth, this person called uDavid Insika yesizwe developed a love for hip-hop. Wayithola eselalela ama-artists afana njengo-T.I., uSnoop Dogg, uLil Wayne, uDrake, and many more. Suddenly, wayithola esefuna naye uphursuwa music, wayithola esebhala ama-lyrics, wayithola eseperforma esikoleni sakhe. Suddenly, he decided, no man, let me pursue this as a career. And then he made a couple of songs, and at the studio whilst a recorder abangani bakhe but decided to no, we will name you uNasty C. That was when his life changed. At the age of 15 already wayeseqala ebuilda igama lakhe kwi-hip-hop industry, and already people have recognized him bamupha igama kuthiwa wena sizokubiza nguNasty C. And already wayeqala working on his first project, and i-project yakhe i-mixtape yakhe wayibiza ukuthi One Kid, 1,000 Coffins, and wayikhipha ngomhlaka 14 May 2012. One Kid, 1,000 Coffins, i-mixtape yaNasty C eyokuqala la khona ezama lento ekuthiwa i-music, la khona ezama lento ekuthiwa i-hip hop. It was his first project. The very first time I got introduced to Nasty C was ngimbona ku-e.tv kudala singakabi ne-DS ekhaya. Understand ukuthi there was a show ku-e.tv, I don't remember the show, but they had a segment ekwakuthiwa i-The Booth. uNasty C did the greatest freestyle to ever be didn't on a TV screen. And that time it was the greatest freestyle ever. If you know, you know. If you don't know, forget about it. After doing his first appearance with TV, uNasty C then went on to release one of the greatest mixtapes to ever be released in South Africa, and it was called iPrice City Mixtape. Ilapho ke la khona abantu baqala ukwazi khona uNasty C because abantu liked the song ekuthiwa iJuice Bag, until leyo ngoma was remixed kwafaka uDavido, kwafaka uCasper, and it became the biggest song in South Africa. But most of you understand, you thought ukuthi iJuice Bag was just a single. You thought ukuthi iJuice Bag was the song that skyrocketed the career in Nasty C. It's time for the truth. The song iJuice Bag yayiphuma from this mixtape. iPrice City Mixtape has some very interesting songs. Nina nazi iJuice Bag. I would like to introduce you to iHallelujah.
Whenever they get a glance, ever since I was little, I knew I was a nigga cause I fell slave to my own damn parents. And I still go to church to avoid getting hurt by the devil, no goddamn sense. I'm trying to hold on to my soul, but the devil tells me if I let him own it, I'll blow. Yes, sir. Says he knows I long for gold and I don't wanna die old. But I'd rather say no than my cojones saying yo. Man, I will.
Uti. I'm trying to hold on to my soul, but the devil tells me if I let him own it, I'll blow. Since he knows I long for gold and I don't wanna die old, but I wanna say no, if I could only say no. This is iHallelujah. Shh. After the release of iJuice Bag, uNasty C became the biggest thing in South Africa. And then he went on to release iproject yakhe yokuqala, his debut studio album, iBad Hair. iBad Hair was released on September 2016, and then it became the biggest thing to ever come out of South Africa. And then after all the hype, he released iBad Hair. It was his first studio album. Mina personally ngithanda Good Girls, Bad Girls, iPhases, ne-Vance. Understand ukuthi kule album uNasty C managed to get one of the biggest American artists, which was uFrench Montana, ukuthi afly off from America eze la ukuzofeature ku-album yakhe, ukuzofeature kwingoma yakhe i-Allow. After Bad Hair, uNasty C then followed up with another crazy album wayibiza nge-Strings and Blings. Personally, I would think i-production ye-Strings and Blings is the best thing in South Africa. Quality, beats, everything was on point. And it reached platinum, becoming one of the most streamed albums go 2018. Strings and Blings, everyone. This was a good album. Production-wise, quality and sound, it was everything we needed. And personally, it was a great album. Ngo 2020, uNasty C then followed up with Zulu Man with Some Power. La khona wayesesayine under Def Jam, and it became the #1 streamed album in South Africa. Zulu Man with Some Power. It was a good album. Once uNasty C big in South Africa, na overseas baqala bamnothisa and war began. Understand ukuthi there was a huge war between Def Jam ne Rock Nation bebanga uNasty C. Understand ukuthi eventually go March 2020 Nasty C signed exclusive pack with Def Jam Records through a joint venture through Universal Music Africa ne Universal Music South Africa. Understand ukuthi yonke lento leyo ukuthi asayine under Def Jam made career yakhe explode, not just la South Africa but even abroad. After being a part of Lempi, after ebangwa big record labels, Def Jam ne Rock Nation, finally was signed under Def Jam, and uNasty C became the biggest thing in the world. Understand ukuthi Def Jam is a record label noticeable all around the world. Wonke umuntu uyazi. That means ukuthi music yakhe yayistreamwa la South Africa iphinde stream emhlaba wonke. That means show wayewenza la South Africa aphinda awenze emhlaba wonke. Suddenly, uNasty C became a brand. Suddenly, uNasty C was starting to go on tour, and tour yakhe wayibiza nge-Ivyson Tour, and fans akhe wawabiza ngama-Ivyson Army. Understand ukuthi Ivyson became the brand yakhe, it became his image. Wenu Ivyson kwi-wash, wenu Ivyson kuma-ring, wenu Ivyson kuma-tattoo. Nobody knows what Ivyson means. But when I understand, when I say ukuthi uIvyson became brand yaNasty C, wena kwi-washi, wena esandleni baringi, wena all over his body as tattoo, Ivyson. For bonke laba abangazi, these are just some of the songs uNasty C has done, has collaborated with. Esebenzisana nama-artist aphesheya. We have King, collaborator no SFX. We have Particular, wafakwa Major Lazer no Ice Prince. We have Day Don'ts, which he collaborated with TI. We have Allow, la khona ayisebenzisana no French Montana. We have Black and White with the Aria Lux, and then we have Pugo Parks with the Lil Kid. Understand ukuthi there are many more. uNasty C no Post Malone. uNasty C no 50 Cent. uNasty C studio session with Big Sean. uNasty C hanging out with Birdman. If you know, you know. If you don't know, forget about it. Before we end the video, I have to tell you the truth. Ayisatholakali noma kanjani le mixtape, Price City mixtape, but I challenge you to go and try and find it. Understand ukuthi sesiyilalelile Hallelujah. I think Hallelujah ile ethi I'm trying to hold on to my soul, but the devil tells me if I let him own it, I'll blow. Since he knows I long for gold and I don't want to die old. I want to say no. If I could only say no. I think silalelile. Now there's a new song in Meluyazi. He let me in. It's in Ngoma. They made millions of this rap thing. I guess I better go practice, right? Make a sacrifice for the flashing lights. Oh, they gon' let me in one day.